So we've completed the design phase of Facility 2. Construction will begin this year, and we are really excited to see the building come into life.
It will be the first commercial advanced packaging facility in Australia. What that will enable us to do is make devices that are more efficient, more powerful, more capable, and it's the sort of thing that we can actually do right here in Western Sydney.
There is a huge gap in the semiconductor industry in Australia. We need talent, we need capability, and we need to have jobs. The AMRF essentially is helping to build that ecosystem.
Semiconductor technologies are absolutely crucial, and it's really important that we have a domestic sovereign capability for the assembly of these chips.
The second building is about 3 times the size of first building, and it has more than 3 times the potential, I would say.
It would be a missed opportunity to not leverage these amazing research that are happening in Australia and turn that into something bigger. That's what this facility is going to do.